Hello everyone, this is Utka Siddharth here, 14CS143, and I'm going to explain you the simple program for a loader to simulate the concept of a loader. So what the loader does is, loader is an absolute loader. So loaders are of various types: linker loader, linkage rate loader, absolute loader, relative loader. So the absolute loader is a simple loader which performs loading process and needs not to perform linking and program location process. So I'll be simulating this on using the Java programming language. So we come to the main function. We declare the variables and header files are given, and we create a class known as compiler. So this is we create a double dimensional string array which shows the object program which has to be simulated. So next we declare the variables. Now next what we're going to do is we using the buffer eater, we'll ask the user to input the program. So we will display the input program using for loop, and we'll display this array known as PGM, this particular full array. Now we'll ask the user to enter the initial address. So this initial address will be used to relocate the loading the particular loading the this called the program into that particular from that particular initial starting address. So using integer.parse or into read line, this will be it. Then for displaying the output program, we'll take a for loop from 0 to pgm.length, which is the pj.length is the array pgm, and we'll go from the starting to the end of the array. Now so this inside this loop, what we're going to do is we'll take an integer variable known as absolute location, which will return the program's location, and add into this particular starting address. It will add the location, the initial starting address, which is manually entered by the user. Then we'll print that particular absolute location. Go to the next line, print that absolute location and the first variable from the array. Now what we're going to do is we're going to check if uh, the the element at pgm of I comma 1, if it is equal to L or A or st. What we're going to do is we're going to print that particular element and space. Along with it along with it, we'll also initialize the absolute location of those particular absolute location will be changed, and what we're going to do is we're going to change it by using integer.parseInt, and we'll pass the by using the substring function. It will extract those parts and it will add to it. And what we're going to do is next is we're going to print that particular segment. So I'll run this program. So run file. As you can see over here, what we're going to do is we're going to run the file. So this particular we'll run this program. So run file. Now as you can see, the input program has been given over here. Now what we're going to do is we'll enter the initial address. So we'll enter the initial address. So as the initial address is 002. So as you can see, the changed locations of the variables has been reflected, as of initially it was starting from 0, now it is starting from 2, and will next segment is 5, then 11, 13, 16, and the ending. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.